when you were 24, you converted to Judaism.
Mm-hmm.
When did you first start thinking about that?
Again, that started when I started going to college. It was much earlier, actually. I started going to college in 1956, and I went to the Hillel House. I don't remember anymore why I went to the Hillel House, but I liked the Hillel House. Oh, and of course, that's when I started reading books in the Kaza collection. That was a collection of Jewish books, maybe 20,000 books, about all kinds of things Jewish. And that's just what I needed. So anyway, at the same time, I started going to the Hillel, and I went to the Hillel all my undergraduate years. And I got to know the rabbi well, Rabbi Kapustin, an Orthodox rabbi, and actually the head of the Beit Din that converted me. And so that's how it began. And that's how I found out about the Holocaust. First of all, I liked Judaism anyway. And then I felt, the Germans, even though, of course, only a couple million maybe were members of the Nazi Party, nevertheless, there was a lot of complicity there. And I felt, if that's the case, I first of all don't want to be a German. And of course, I became an American. But I also, and I don't want to overdo my not allegiance, my seeming to be German, although I still speak German and so on, and I have a couple of people who want to speak German with me right now, and I do, meet them or occasionally and we speak. But what I also felt was that there are all those millions killed in Europe by the Germans, so why can't I become a Jew as a kind of counterweight? It's a small counterweight, but that's how revolutions are made. And so I thought, well, if I become Jewish, then I will marry someone Jewish, and God willing, we will have a family, and so we will start that revolution. And that's what we did.